All right, everybody, let's talk about home battery backup. A lot of you have probably looked into solar and storage before and have heard about Tesla Powerwalls, Enphase IQ batteries, even LG Chems. Well, today we want to talk to you about a new and exciting storage offering, the Franklin aPower 2 battery. This new version 2 of their aPower battery is more powerful and has more storage capacity than anything else on the market, and we are really excited to add it to our product offering. Hi everybody, I'm Eric with Green Power Energy, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Franklin aPower 2. We've recently added this to our storage offering and are excited to get some of our first installations underway this year. It's a great product, has some great advantages over others, and we're really seeing it take off with our sales team. Our customers have been asking about battery storage for a long time. I've been installing solar and storage projects for over 15 years, and the amount of battery systems we've done in the last couple years is more than the 13 years before that combined. The reason really is the products that are available today. Our company is currently offering Tesla Powerwall, Enphase IQ battery installations, and now the Franklin aPower 2 battery installations. These three options of batteries are all superior to anything that was around 10 years ago because of the longevity of the battery and the output that they have. We're now able to back up critical loads with just one battery and whole homes with just 2 or even 3 of these battery units. It's really incredible, and the ease of installation and the way we can design these systems is so great, and it really makes sense for homeowners to start installing these on their homes for backup power. Now let's talk more about the Franklin aPower 2 today, which is a new and exciting product. First, let's talk about the specs of the Franklin aPower 2 battery. Each one of these units has a 15 kilowatt hour battery storage bank, and what I love about it is that they let you discharge and use all 15 of those kilowatt hours. Some of the other batteries have a required reserve capacity, so while they may have 13 kilowatt hours of usable storage, you only want to discharge it, let's say 11 or 12 of those 13 kilowatt hours to have some in the reserve. But Franklin lets you use all 15 kilowatt hours, and then they even have a little bit left to always protect you in case you ever need a dark start. There are 2 main metrics to a battery unit. One is the kilowatt hour storage capacity, and the other one is the kilowatt output, the continuous power output that the battery can provide to your electric loads in your home. The Franklin aPower 2 has 15 kilowatt hours of usable storage in each unit and has a 10 kilowatt AC output as its continuous power rating, but it also can handle up to 15 kilowatts of output for 10 seconds. Another great feature about the Franklin aPower 2 battery is that you can stack up to 15 of these batteries together to get a storage capacity bank of over 200 kilowatt hours, which is really incredible and can take your house essentially off-grid, but we still recommend connecting it to the grid to take advantage of net metering and other benefits that may be available in your local utility jurisdiction. The Franklin battery system is great because it's AC coupled and can work with any pre-existing or new solar system to be installed. So if you already have an existing solar system, you can pair it with a Franklin battery and we can set you up with that entire system where the existing solar system at your home, whether it was installed by Green Power Energy or another company back in the day, it will work seamlessly with the Franklin battery and it will recharge the battery when the sun comes out. That's my favorite thing about battery storage, is that even though these battery units do not have the large amount of capacity of power that you might find in a whole home gas generator, they actually will recharge from the solar panels every day and can really become a useful thing in a long duration outage like we all remember with Superstorm Sandy. The Franklin storage system comes with the A-Gate Smart Energy Controller. This is like your automatic transfer switch for the storage system. The A-Gate Smart Energy Controller will control your battery, your solar, your home electric loads, and even a generator if you have one. You can integrate all of this together right into the Franklin A-Gate, and it really is a durable, robust product that we would mount either on the outside or inside of your home. The battery itself is great because it could be mounted outside provide, which makes the ease of installation that much greater, saving us time and you money on the installation of the project. The Franklin aPower 2 unit comes with an LED light display on the side of the unit, indicating if it's working, its state of charge, and these colors are also interchangeable if you want to change them yourself. Some of the other battery options out there struggle with integrating an existing generator, but the Franklin battery system really works well with their generator integration. Now let's talk about the installation and reliability of the Franklin battery unit. It's a very durable product that can be mounted either indoors or outdoors, and it can be wall mounted or floor mounted. It's got the highest warranty we're seeing out there in the storage market with 15 years on the battery unit, and they are rated to last for thousands of cycles and will certainly go well beyond the 15 years in my opinion. The battery uses LFP lithium ion phosphate chemistry, which is superior to the older lithium ion technology that we saw in older storage models. It is safer, lasts longer, and will give you tons of discharge cycles for your battery over the years. It even has an IP67 weatherproofing rating. Very impressive. So, should you buy the aPower 2 Franklin battery? If you want to be able to back up your entire home, I would recommend the Franklin storage system. It also gives you that flexibility to work with existing solar systems or install it with a new one. It may be eligible for storage incentives in certain states and solar markets. It has a leading warranty of 15 years, which gives you peace of mind as more of our customers are switching to battery storage as a means for backing up their home during utility grid outages. Battery storage is just beginning to grow in our markets. In New Jersey, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania, where we install solar and storage systems, only about 10% of the systems are having batteries sold with them and installed with them. In other markets like California, you have about 90% of the systems having storage installed on them. I believe that New Jersey, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania will grow with their battery attachment rate to get close to this 90% number over the next decade, and Green Power Energy is going to be leading that way with our partnership with FranklinWH and other battery manufacturers. We also have great relationships with the local utility companies, local permitting offices, and state incentive programs to make sure your battery storage project gets installed seamlessly without any hiccups, gets all the proper approvals, and gets you the final permission to operate and utilize your system as soon as possible. These systems are like small power plants that are being installed in your home, and there's a lot of engineering and design work as well as permitting and approvals that are required to get up front and even after the installation before you get that final green light to turn on the system. Everybody at Green Power Energy is here to help every step of the way, and believe me, there are many steps that you really want an expert company like Green Power Energy to handle on your behalf. Green Power Energy is going to install a turnkey solar and storage system for you, and we really are a white glove service and have the best customer service in the industry. Please check out our reviews online or visit our website www.greenpowerenergy.com to learn more about our product offering. On our website, you can schedule a free consultation with one of our solar and storage consultants, which will give you all the options and costs on a system for your home or property. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or even shoot us an email. We're always here to help answer any questions you have and look forward to working with you. Have a great day.